That tiller worked really good. We rented it from Home Depot in Show Low, Arizona. Put it on our little trailer, brought it out here, and got it all tilled up. So this is like my side of the garden here. Got that tilled, and then Amber's side over here, hers is all, her rows are tilled up. And then this year, we're doing something a little special over here. This area right here is going to be a root garden. So all your root plants, and I'm sure she'll have some roots over here too, but this is just going to be dedicated to all kinds of root plants. I know she mentioned potatoes and carrots, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot more than that, but yep. And then couldn't get the tiller in this little area here. This is tomatoes mostly, and then I've got grapes and some berries. Got to trim those down. And then these are all in like holes, so I'll just dig those up with the shovel and put in some more compost and get that all ready to go. Got some onions that are still growing from last year. And I'll just add on a little bit right here in the middle. Plant some seed in there. Got some cilantro. I can't believe this has gone through the whole winter, that cilantro. And some greens right there too that are still kind of going. But I'll replant this and make this area right in here for cilantro. So yeah, we're getting it going now. I tilled in some compost when I tilled it. Got compost in there. So I'm gonna rake this in like Amber did on her side, so it's smooth on the top and the wind doesn't blow it away as bad, and wet it down and just let it sit there for about a month or so. I don't know. Whenever we start planting, and the greens we're going to start planting right away, but you know, the stuff that need the hot weather, your tomatoes and peppers and squash and all that are going to need some warmer weather, so we'll have to wait on that. But yeah, I just kind of moved these irrigation lines out of the way to get the tiller in there, get that done. Wow, that tiller beat me up bad. I was sore the next day. We're getting it going. She's going to have, in this area right here, a couple more of those raised beds. She bought some more of those right there. She's going to put it right out here in the middle. She was having problems last year with the cows trying to get some of her taller plants reaching over the fence right there and grabbing them. So this year we're going to put a strand of barbed wire up there on top of those posts so the cows don't want to reach over. All right, looking good. Got compost here, steer manure, mushroom compost. We got stuff ready to go, ready to plant here as soon as we get the warmer weather. Check this out. Plum tree. It's just already budding out like crazy. A little early in the year for it to be doing that. That's an apple tree there. It's looking good. And then these other ones over here. We got like plum and an apricot, and all. This one's popping too. Wow, look at the buds on that thing. And then this one over here, same thing. Need to trim these back. Probably do that today too. We are sure looking forward to the 2026 gardening season, and it's coming soon. And we'll do more videos when we start getting things planted and coming up. And we'll keep everybody posted on how our garden's going this summer, and we would be really grateful to watch some of your videos too. So be sure and post some pictures and videos of what you've got going in your garden this year. It's a lot of fun trading back and forth.